Basically, these are chunks of chicken thigh fillets na deep fry. You know what it is. Lightly battered and then slathered in sauce. By the way, this is chicken Chingu. Very, very promising. We have the original flavor. This is their crunchy garlic. And then there's this K-barbecue. This one naman is Terry Yummy. Captain Orange. And then Parmesan. And Inferno Spicy Gangnam. And then Blazing Hot Spicy Gangnam. Time to dig in. Let's go into the original. The gravy is overpowering. Or maybe I just dunked it a little bit too much.